All right, we're going to take just a minute or two and talk a little bit about interior cleaning. And interior cleaning is a great project that you could do during the wintertime while the weather is not so good outside to do exterior projects. And we get that question all the time from homeowners, contractors, and applicators. Often they're looking for winter work, and so it's just a great thing you can do to help clean the interior. Now, the wood or the logs on your interior need to be coated with something just to make cleaning and dusting a little easier. So quite often, we would always recommend either a stain coat, or if you want just the bare wood look, put clear shield. Just have a nice clear coating on there. But occasionally you're going to want to come through and just make sure the interior is clean. And log wash, we have a product called log wash. I think it's one of the best products in our product lineup. For a number of reasons. It's fail-safe, easy to use, inexpensive. It's a concentrated product. 1 gallon of log wash will do 2,500, 3,000 square feet. Pretty simple on the inside. Now, one question we always get is people are going to come up and say, hey, obviously I can't get in with a garden hose or a pressure washer, but you don't have to for the interior. Just do what we call a tack-cloth method. 1 cup of log wash per gallon of water. Just have a rag with your log wash, have another bucket of clean water, maybe a clean rag, and just do the tack-cloth method. Simply wipe it down, rinse it with another one, dry it off, and you're good to go. Log wash is slightly acidic to match the acidity. Most log species are a little bit lower in acidity, so you don't have to worry about adhesion problems, discoloration, anything like that. So it's a perfect product for interior maintenance cleaning.
Hey y'all, if you don't mind, take a moment, like this video, subscribe to our channel. It really does help us out a lot, and we greatly appreciate it.